My people, remember ukuthi thina interview ama-soccer player kuphela ne. We also interview ama-fans, ama-coaches and all that. Nomuntu ozidlulelayo yazi long sikhuluma ngedisc. So angiphethe ucoach la. Coach, can you please introduce yourself with your name, surname and also tell our viewers you from where and ucoach ayiphi team or kahle kahle wenzani?
Yeah, simple bafethu. Coach Siya Maluka, born and bred at Daveyton 1520 eKasla. At the moment ngu APC Mutsipe eMpumalanga with Middleburg United. But ngwala ikasi mfana kithi. Mawuzothi Siya Maluka. They know. They know.
Coach, ngicela ubuzela for abantu abaningi abazofuna ukuba ama coach, maybe let's say example ama soccer player, you know most ama soccer player aqala adlale maka retire athatha enye i-career ukuba ukuya ku coaching. So coach, as a coach, maybe let's say ngifuna ukuba coach, how do I get a license in coaching?
Okay, let's start here my friend. Before a license, being a coach is a calling. You can be qualified ngamaphepha njengobusho only to find that you're not a good coach. Fortunately enough, I'm qualified, but most of all, I will say it must be a calling. Doesn't mean if you have played football automatically you qualify to be a football coach. Yes, maybe you hold that a little bit of an advantage, but the first advice I will give it to you to say, look, Uguti, do you have your passion or even a gift to be a football coach? But to answer you, it's simple. You start with your region where you start. Isn't as fana naboma T-license. I call it a metric of coaching. T-license, if from Njengalai Daveyton, you can go to my office in Wesafa, like Pinoni, where you can inquire about T-license, because Pumangama dates. Each and every region, like South Africa, Yesafa, they have dates where they do their introduction in terms of the T-license. So if you inspire to be a coach one day, you need to know the region of Pumagi. Anyway, not here in Gauteng, anyway in all the 9 provinces, we have what we call a region Wesafa, where you can get that information, with dates on that particular region, especially with T-license. Start with the T-license. I repeat, is the metric of coaching. Yeah. Before Zolande Latina, with where we are in terms of the university qualifications, I won't tell you what I have, but it's fine.
No, it's okay.
No. I've moved. Like I'm saying, I'm more obsessed about ukuba intwana yasekasi qualified in terms of the coaching licenses. So I hold a UFAP. I also have a CAF. So yeah, I'm saying more than that, but it's you need to come to places like this to get the feel. Not the qualifications will determine how good you are as a coach. Come here, watch here and learn. Sure. Yeah.
Coach, for information yako. So for people, because ngibuzela abantu la right, provide abantu information. So coach, wena mawucabanga yini role yakho as a coach?
The most important thing that a coach must be able to do is to improve a player. Sure. Because talent comes from God, my friend. If ngikuthola talented, for me, is to improve that talent and look after that talent. So even a Messi that you're going to watch tonight, a coach still needs to improve him. Improve him in what way? Tactically and otherwise. Maybe you'll find a player is good tactically, but now usheshe meba khathal, will improve his speed, will improve his stamina. So a primary goal of the coach is to improve a player. You find someone thinking a good player, I need a coach. No. Yeah. Any coach. So I always say, if you're calling yourself a coach and you have never improved a player, maybe you must try another career. Because the primary goal of the coach is to improve a player. Yes.
Okay, because coach, you know, most fans in the if you team was a play coach, our coach has this Hawaiians. So example, coach in England, Thomas Tuchel. Yes. So when coach ngokubona kwakho like yini ma challenges anokwa face like as a coach?
Like I said, my friend, back to lento mengikutshela yo. It's a calling. Leadership, it's a calling. As a leader, you're going to be criticized, you're going to be blamed. So if uNkulunkulu akubizile lento uyenza because it's more of a calling more than just being qualified. You can be a CA or a managing director in a company, but if you want our leadership skills, when people start not to see things your way, you'll be discouraged or angeke ukhona ukuba leader. So it goes back to coaching.
Sure.
It's part of the game. It's part of the industry that you will take the blame, but what do you do about it? How do you improve yourself as a coach? How do you improve that going further or going forward? You won't be blamed most of the time. So basically, I will always repeat this to you, my friend, even to the people that are listening and watching here, to say, coaching, it's a calling. It's a calling, my brother. It's like leadership. It's a calling. Not all of us are called.
Sure.
Not all of us. Yes, you'll have people that bazongena ngendlela because siningi indlela zokungena anyway, but eventually kuzovela ukuthi is this thing your thing. Yeah, I mean, I believe ukuthi more than the qualification, I'm called to be a coach.
Sure. Okay coach, manje ngizozama ukutesta football knowledge yakho as a coach ne. So ngokubona kwakho coach, which position is the hardest grounding and why?
Goalkeeper.
Okay, reason being?
No one is behind you but the net.
Okay. Oh, nice. Because most people ehlangane nabo basho ukuthi midfielder, you know, mele control the game, stamina and all that, how relax is ibhola lethu aselethu ziyabuya lapha.
Okay.
So na coach ubani best coach yakho ku South African football and abroad?
Rulani Mokoena.
Top. Okay, abroad.
Rulani Mokoena.
Okay, shout out to Coach Rulani Mokoena, our Pep Guardiola. Okay, not our Pep Guardiola, our Rulani Mokoena. Coach, any word of the day?
Do what you love. You'll never work a day in your life.
Okay, on repeat, ungazwanga.
Do what you love. You'll never work a day in your life.
Sabonga coach for sakho.
Thank you, my brother.
Betaba coach bafethi kasi. Cala.